Genevieve Glass continues our weather team coverage here. Genevieve, there are a lot of things we can do right now to prepare for the wind that is on the way.
Yeah, there sure are, Todd. And I have to tell you that the wind is here. You can see by my hair, my tears, it is already coming. I want to show you this flag here that is just whipping in the wind right now. Very strong already, but as Eric mentioned, and you mentioned as well, it could get even stronger by later today. So there is still some time to get ready before we bear the brunt of all this. At home, bring in loose items like a patio furniture and secure bigger items with weights, ropes, or chains. And when you're driving, slow down. Keep your distance from surrounding cars as wind can push them out of their lanes, and hold on tight to that steering wheel in case your car is hit by a strong gust. And keep those windows closed because opening them will make you more vulnerable to crosswinds. So please be safe out there. If you venture outside today, whether you're driving, taking a walk, I would not advise it, but it is definitely windy, and take all of your allergy medications and inhalers if you are prone to asthma. Live in downtown Albuquerque, I'm Genevieve Glass, KOAT Action 7 News.